Imagine a way of eating that helps you take control of your blood sugar while still enjoying delicious, satisfying meals. The keto diet has been gaining attention as a powerful tool for diabetics looking to manage their condition naturally. By reducing carbohydrate intake and shifting your body's fuel source to fat, you can stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and feel better than ever. If you're ready to explore how keto can transform your health, let's dive in. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that encourages your body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on glucose. This process, known as ketosis, leads to more stable blood sugar levels, fewer insulin spikes, and a reduction in cravings. Unlike traditional diabetic meal plans that often focus on portion control and counting calories, keto targets the root cause of blood sugar fluctuations by minimizing carbohydrate intake. So, how does this work? Carbs break down into glucose, which causes blood sugar to rise. For diabetics, especially those with type 2 diabetes, the body struggles to regulate these spikes effectively. By drastically cutting carbs and increasing fat intake, you prevent those blood sugar surges and support better insulin sensitivity. What should you eat on a diabetic-friendly keto diet? Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods that are low in carbs but rich in healthy fats and proteins. These include non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli, high-quality proteins like chicken, beef, and salmon, and healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, and nuts. Avoid sugar, grains, and processed foods that can cause blood sugar spikes. One of the biggest benefits diabetics experience on keto is improved blood sugar control. Many people find they need less medication or even reverse insulin resistance with long-term commitment. Additionally, keto helps with weight loss, which is particularly beneficial for those struggling with obesity-related diabetes. Other perks include better energy levels, reduced cravings, and even improved mental clarity. Getting started on keto as a diabetic requires a bit of preparation. First, consult your doctor before making any drastic dietary changes, especially if you are on medication. Then, clean out your kitchen and replace high-carb foods with keto-friendly options. Meal planning is key. Prepare simple, balanced meals that fit within your macros while keeping your blood sugar stable. The transition to keto isn't always smooth, and some people experience symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and cravings, known as the keto flu. Staying hydrated, replenishing electrolytes, and eating enough fats will help ease this adjustment. The good news? Once your body adapts, you'll start experiencing the benefits of steady energy and improved blood sugar control. Tracking your macronutrients is essential. Aim for about 70% of your calories from fats, 25% from protein, and 5% from carbs. There are many apps available to help you monitor your intake and stay on track. You'll want to keep your daily carb intake between 20 to 50 grams to maintain ketosis and keep blood sugar levels stable. One of the greatest myths about keto is that it's restrictive. The truth is, you can still enjoy flavorful, satisfying meals. Think creamy cauliflower mash, grilled salmon with butter, or a rich avocado and spinach salad. There are even delicious keto-friendly desserts made with sugar substitutes like stevia or monk fruit, so you don't have to give up sweets entirely. Embracing keto as a diabetic is a powerful step toward better health and blood sugar management. By making mindful food choices and focusing on whole, nourishing ingredients, you can transform your well-being in ways you never thought possible. Are you ready to take charge of your health? What's the first keto meal you're excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments.